Hey guys, welcome back. So we are doing another first impressions on a foundation, and this is another cream foundation. This is the Milani Cream to Powder Foundation. This is what it looks like right here. I found this on Instagram because a lot of people were saying that this is a dupe for the KVD Beauty Foundation, and you guys know, or maybe you don't know, I don't know. I'm gonna link the video up here. I did just do a first impressions on the KVD Beauty Foundation. Spoiler alert, I hate that foundation. So if you want to see why, go ahead and check the cards. But since this is supposed to be a dupe, I figured, yeah, let's give this a try. Maybe this is better. Maybe I actually like this. So I picked this up at Walmart. It was like 10 bucks, super inexpensive, whereas the KVD Beauty one was like $38 at Sephora. So I picked mine up in the shade 255 Sand, and I was a little concerned that this was not going to match me. You guys know, like, most of my foundations, they don't match me. But honestly, this is probably the best match of foundation that I have ever had. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to tell on camera. I mean, I feel kind of pale, but I think that's because I'm so used to being the complete wrong shade that when I'm wearing the right shade, I feel like a ghost. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm very excited to try this out. If you guys want to see my first impressions on that foundation, then please just keep on watching. But wait, before we roll into the video, real quick, just hit the subscribe button. It's like on your way into the video, so like you might as well just hit the subscribe button. I feel like it's right there. You just bloop and then you're done. So you might as well just hit it. I post Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. I cannot get this right. Still, like how long have I been saying this? And I still can't get it right. 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. That's my schedule. That's when I upload. Just hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and now let us get into my first impressions, shall we? So before jumping into the actual foundation application, I'm just gonna read off of the Milani website what the claims are so we kind of get a feel for what up, pretty much. So it says, blend in, stand out. Milani Conceal and Perfect Smooth Finish Cream to Powder Foundation is back and better than ever. I didn't know that it was here and then left, but I guess, okay, sure, whatever. This must-have complexion perfector glides on as a cream and magically morphs into a buildable full coverage, light diffusing powder foundation with a soft matte camera-ready finish. Made with Lilly and bamboo extracts to control oil and shine up to 16 hours. The longwear formula is sweat-proof and waterproof to keep skin on point wherever the day takes you. Blah, blah, vitamins A and E. Blah blah green tea, available in an expanded range of 22 skin perfecting shades. 22 shades is really not that many, Milani. Like, don't try to brag, that's not that many. It is listed on the Milani website for $10.99, but I bought mine from Walmart and it was less than $10. I mean, it was over $10 once like taxes and everything were included, but it was like $9.98 or something like that from Walmart. So buy you yours from Walmart, you could save $1. So this is what the packaging looks like. Mine is in the shade 255 Sand. I actually sent Elver to go get this for me, so if it doesn't match, yell at him. It did also break, by the way. It was my fault that it broke. I was like unloading the stuff that we got from Walmart, and a Frisbee was one of the things, so I pulled out the Frisbee, and this was like with the Frisbee. So when I pulled out the Frisbee, this just kind of like flew across my kitchen. So this is all my fault. It's not Milani's fault, I swear. But I have this little piece of tape on it. It's doing absolutely nothing, but I have it there. So first, before anything, of course, I'm going to prime the skin. I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance base. And this one is in yellow. Not that it really matters, but in case you're wondering, it is in yellow. I have like really high hopes for this foundation since the KVD one didn't go so well for me. I feel like this one is going to go better. Quickly, I'm just going to prime my brows as I do what I do. I just want to note right now before we get into it, my nose is peeling. It's been peeling for a while now, so I'm gonna obviously take that into account. It's literally just peeling because I'm a dry ass bee. So I mean, there's nothing we can do about it, you know, just ignore it and pretend that it's not. I don't know. Also, if you see on my eyes, I have some just remnants of the makeup that I was wearing yesterday. I did film my Viseart video yesterday. If that video's up, I'll link it up here, but if not, just know I filmed it yesterday, okay? And it's coming. So I guess just going right up in there. I mean, if you guys saw my KVD video, I do not think it's makes sense to use a beauty blender and like just stick it in there and then apply it to the skin. So I'm going to be using a brush. This one is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH03. I don't have a lot of foundation brushes because I don't buy foundation brushes. I usually just buy beauty blenders. So I just grab whatever, really. Okay. All right. So I guess we're just... First of all, this is definitely not as creamy as the KVD one. That one, you like stuck your brush in and automatically got so much foundation on it. So I'm having to dig in a little bit more than I was having to do with the KVD. And it definitely doesn't have as full coverage as the KVD did or does. I don't know. Does. This color is perfect. Perfect. Literally perfect. So like, pat me on the back. Again, just sticking my brush 455 times in here to try to get some more foundation. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to tell, but like I said, it's definitely not full coverage with like one swipe. The finish is more matte than the KVD one was. I should say is. Like, it's not like the KVD one just ceased to exist. It definitely exists. I'm just never gonna wear it again. So, look, this is the color that you bought me. It's not bad. It's good, right? I like this already. At this particular moment in time, I like this better than the KVD one. It actually is not as dewy as the KVD one is. It definitely has like, I wouldn't say this is like a completely flat matte. I would say this is kind of like more of like a natural matte or like a natural skin kind of finish, which I like. It's still like a little tacky to the touch. The KVD one was tacky like all last day. But this one is supposed to be cream to powder. So I'm curious like what that means for the wear and what it means for like it being tacky on the skin. Like I feel like it's just gonna set itself, which is cool with me because I don't ever set my foundation with powder. I really like it. I think it has medium coverage, definitely not even close to the amount of coverage that the KVD one has. But I also don't need, in my opinion, as much coverage as the KVD one has. It has a freakish amount of coverage. And I'm kind of okay with this one being less coverage, but it definitely has enough. Like it's at least medium. I would say medium, buildable to full, but like at the very minimum, you're getting medium coverage. I'm really excited about this. I feel this looks really good. I don't like that I had to dip in here 400 times to get the amount of foundation that I have on my face right now. You can see, I mean, I'm not sure if you can see, but like it's pretty attacked in here. And this is obviously the first time that I've ever used it. So I'll just put my ratchet thing back together real quick. Let me go do my makeup and then let me go do that. Let me go finish. Hold on. One second. Hey guys, so I am back. It's actually been an hour and a half since I left. But regardless, I'm back. The rest of my makeup is on. And let me just take a peeky peek. My skin looks pretty much exactly the same as it did when I originally applied the foundation. I feel like around my mouth, it's like super cracked and dry. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see my smile lines right there, but like it's just like a line right there, just chilling, which it's not good. I feel like my face definitely looks a bit drier than it did when I was using the KVD one. Obviously, because the KVD one has a more dewy finish, this is definitely more matte. And I feel like as time is passing, it's getting even more matte than when I first originally applied it. So that's definitely something worth noting. If you have oily skin, this one seems like it's gonna be your best bet so far. By the way, if you notice my brows look a little different, I'm trying a new product and I don't know how I feel about it yet, but they definitely look different. At least in my opinion, they look different than they usually do. So if you notice that, just keep that to yourself. We're doing better so far than we were doing in the KVD Beauty video at this particular moment. And I know I keep comparing this foundation to the KVD one. The only reason I really know about this foundation is because people were comparing it to that foundation. So I just feel like it makes sense to compare them. But I mean, if it's good on its own, it's good on its own, you know, like whatever. But yeah, like I said, so far it is looking good enough. It's not like excellent, but it's not bad. It's like, it's good enough. You know, it's moderate. It's fair. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this for a couple more hours and then I will be right back. Don't know what that's about, but. So it is now 6:45 p.m. I don't know if you guys are, okay, it's 6:45, just trust me. So it's been about 4.5 hours, which is like pretty much perfect because I think I want to wear this for about 9 hours. So we're right in the middle. And I have to say, I think this looks really good. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to tell on camera, but everything other than smile lines, like right here, is like really aggressive. Right above my lip too, because obviously when I smile, there's like a little crease there. So that could be cuter. I feel like around my nose, it's kind of bunching up right in this area a little bit. But like I told you guys, my nose is peeling really bad, really, really bad. So I'm not sure if that's because of that it looks like that, or if it just is doing that. Like, I'm not sure. At this point, I know the KVD one was not looking cute. So the fact that this one still looks really good is shocking to me. This color match is freaking phenomenal. Phenomenal. Which is, you know, something that I've never dealt with in my life. Like, I don't even know how to act. Like, this is my actual perfect color. Who am I? Besides the fact that the Milani one costs a lot less, is easier to like have access to, I just think it's better. And that's just where I'm at right now. So as of right now, I would definitely recommend the Milani one over the KVD one, no matter what your skin is. Oily, dry, like whatever. I think this one is better. It is a little bit drier feeling than the KVD one is, but because the KVD one is so ugly, I feel like this one is definitely the way to go for everybody. But again, we'll see at the end of the night. Give me like 4.5 more hours and I will see you again soon. Okay, guys. So it is 11:10. Hello, where is the time? Why are you doing this to me? 11:10 p.m. So I've been wearing this for too long. 9 hours almost. Very, very close. It's like, we're just going to say it's 9 hours because it's like really, really close to 9 hours. And I look like almost a little oily right here, but I have dry skin. So I'm just like, yeah, I'll take that. I'll accept this, you know? Oh, yeah. No, yeah, I'm a fan. I'm definitely a fan. I'm going to give this like an A-/B+. I don't know. A-. We're going to say A-. A- is my verdict. I do really like it. I just feel like in the beginning stages, like when you first apply it, if you have dry skin, like be a little wary because it is a little dry. I would say just moisturize pretty heavily if you have dry skin. If you have oily skin, I would still say that this is a good option. Just make sure you go in with a mattifying primer first. I recommend this 5,000 times more than I would recommend the KVD Beauty one. I think the KVD Beauty one just freaking sucks. I don't like it at all. But this one real nice. This one is real nice. I recommend this to pretty much everybody, I'll say. Pretty much everybody. You just got to prime and moisturize appropriately. But once you do that, like, you're golden. Seriously though, I see myself reaching for this foundation a lot. The only thing that I really don't like is that I feel like I have to like dig in there to get the foundation out, but like, it's fine. It's okay, it's fine. It's fine. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Snapchat and Twitter. Oh, that was so fast. I'm so proud of myself. And I didn't even mess that up. Excuse me, who am I? Let me know, what did you think about this foundation? Do you think that it wore really beautifully like I do? Do you think that it could definitely use some improvements? Do you have it? Are you planning to pick it up? Did TikTok make you buy it? Because it definitely made me buy it, which is so strange because like, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this before. I don't really watch TikTok beauty videos. Like if I want a beauty video, a review or anything like that, I will definitely go to YouTube. I just kind of scroll through TikTok for like entertainment purposes. But TikTok really made me buy this. That is all I have to say for today's video. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I have something in my pocket. I forgot I have my lipstick in my pocket. So let me just...